How many states share a border with Wisconsin? Does anyone know?
Two.
Oh, okay, we're going with 2. Moving on. What are the odds of making a perfect NCAA tournament bracket? A, 1 in 9.2 quintillion. B, 1 in a million. C, 1 in 1,000. Or D, 1 in 325. A. We're going to go with A. The Suez Canal is located in which country? I don't know. We've heard of it. We're going to go Russia. What is the symbol for iron on the periodic table? A, IR, B, IN, C, FE, D, FR. Anyone remember from chemistry? You're the soonest removed from high school. Okay, we're gonna go CFE. 5. What in water treatment, what does TDS stand for? A, treat, disinfect, sanitize. B, total dissolved solids. C, tank desalination system. D, totally disgusting sediment. B, you're saying B? Do we have any? We're going B? We're going B? Okay, we're going to go B.
Okay. How many states share a border with Wisconsin? Michigan and
Illinois. Michigan's not part of it. Michigan.
Michigan touches it, yeah.
That's like the word.
Yeah. 4? 4. All right, number 2. What are the odds of making a perfect NCAA tournament bracket?
It's gotta be. It's like 9 quintillion. 9.2. 9.2.
Oh, okay. So
it is quintillion. I actually looked at it.
A is 1 in 9.2 quintillion. It's not even spelled right.
B.
C, 1 in 1,000. B, 1 in a million. Or D, 1 in 325. We're going with what? A? A. Okay. Number 3. What?
I don't even know what that says. Suez Canal.
Oh, yeah. The Suez Canal is located in which country?
Europe.
Oh.
He said Europe.
So what are we going with? Ooh, you're thinking real hard. You better have an answer.
I do not. I do not.
It's coming for one.
I do not.
So what are we saying? Columbia. Perfect. 4. What is the symbol for iron on the periodic table? IR, IN, FE, or FR?
I think it's FE.
All right, we're going with CFE. In water treatment, what does TDS stand for? Treat, discomfort, sanitize, total dissolved solids, tank desalination system, totally disgusting sediment. We're going with B, total dissolved solids.